the excitement of the impending adventure bubbled inside him, Lele hurried back to his treehouse with his newfound treasures: Grandma's knitted scarf and mittens, Monkey Monk, his cuddly monkey friend, and the trusty blanket that had witnessed countless jungle escapades. Lele spread his belongings out on his bed and organized them carefully before stuffing them into his small but sturdy backpack. Monk sat nearby and watched with curious eyes. "We're going on a snow holiday, Monkey." "Can you believe it?" exclaimed Lele, his enthusiasm infectious. His mother appeared at the entrance to his bedroom, with a knowing smile on her face. "Lele, make sure you pack everything you need. It can get pretty chilly at the North Pole," she said. Lele nodded eagerly, already thinking of the snowball fights and snowman adventures ahead. The hat and mittens went in, carefully stored next to Monk and the treasured blanket. Lele also remembered to pack his toothbrush and toothpaste, essential for any trip, snow or not. His backpack neatly packed, Lele zipped it up and hoisted it on his back. He looked at his mother with wide eyes, a mixture of anticipation and readiness in his gaze. "Mom, am I ready to go to Snowy?" said Lele, his voice filled with a combination of excitement and a hint of nervousness. His mother smiled reassuringly. "Yes, you are absolutely ready, Lele. Remember to enjoy every moment of your snow holiday and make the most of this new adventure. Dada and I haven't quite finished packing. Go and play some more, sweetheart," said Mommy. Lele nodded and felt a surge of confidence. With his backpack in tow, he swung from tree to tree, eager to share the news of his upcoming trip with his jungle friends. Little did he know that the prospect of the holiday was as exciting as the adventure itself. "I'm going on a trip and taking," Lele sang as he meandered through the jungle with his backpack on his back. The catchy tune echoed among the treetops and caught the attention of his curious animal friends. Lele landed gracefully amidst his friends, who gathered around him, intrigued by the sight of the backpack. "What is all this, Lele?" asked Pip the parrot. "I'm going on a snow holiday to Snowy, and I have to pack everything I might need," Lele replied with a grin. "Do you want to see what I'm going to take with me?" His friends looked along and came up with some more ideas. "Look, a warm scarf and mittens that Grandma made for me," Lele proudly showed them. "Don't forget a hat," said Pip. "Yes, that one wasn't ready yet. Grandma will bring it this afternoon." "Yes, and don't forget your favorite snacks too," added Aditi. "I brought banana biscuits." Lele took out a small box from his bag. "Baked together with jute," said Lele. "Look, I will definitely bring Monkey Monk," he declared, holding up his monkey friend. The friends giggled and nodded in agreement. "What else, Lele?" asked a curious Raffi. "Toothbrush and toothpaste," said Lele. "And a map, so you don't get lost in the snowy wilderness," added a Jackie. "Yes, Dada has already put those in his backpack," said Lele. "Do you also have a game with you?" asked Pip. Lele took out a pack of cards from his bag. "Yes, these are riddles," he said. Lele smiled and agreed, the helpful suggestions. He put his goodies back in his backpack and said goodbye to his friends. As he waved away, his friends waved and shouted, "Have a great time at Snowy, Lele."